Mr. Gill here. Welcome to the Wiki Way and Wiki Work with Gill. We're going to learn about wikis, why I use wikis in class, what kind of wiki projects and activities we'll have you do, and a little bit on how to use wikis. You've all used Wikipedia, but you may not have made your own pages or edited pages. A wiki is a website that anybody can edit anything on the site. Why do I use wikis in class? Collaboration. If you're working on a team project, like you see here, this group created a page to manage their project, to plan their project, and to share ideas. Communications. You will learn to write succinctly, summarizing your information in your own words. Critical thinking, you'll do research, you'll get feedback from me and other students, you'll be able to ask questions on the wiki. Creativity, you'll get to design your own pages, your own website. You decide how best to share your knowledge and information. Projects. Every project I do in class, I have a wiki page set up. So you'll sign up for projects. You'll be able to pick a topic of interest and write your name, and then you'll get that project, such as this example here of people signing up for Enterprising Person project. How to edit a page. Here's an example. The top of the screen, this is basic formatting on the wiki. You have to, of course, edit, add links, and save. Everything's about edit, putting information in, and saving. So the first thing you do is you'd edit. Then you would type, in this example, the entrepreneur you're wishing to study, write your name, highlight the entrepreneur's name, hit add link. It automatically defaults to a page name that you used, and you just hit return, and you've now created a page. You can describe what you've changed. If you make a lot of changes on a page, I would encourage you to describe it. And then, of course, you've got to save your page. Here's an example of class encyclopedia. All my classes have an encyclopedia, and that could be Entrepedia in entrepreneurship, Markepedia, etc. So usually each unit you'd select a topic that you're most interested in, a concept, and you become the class expert on that concept. You write a summary, use your own words, bibliography, cite your sources, include links, explanations. You can add images, videos, quotes, etc. Be as creative as you want. How to create your page. So what you did before is you highlighted the page, you saved it, and now once it's saved, you would just click on it where you've highlighted, and it would automatically go to this page, name your page, with the same title. You put it in a folder, either a project folder or a folder under your name to keep track of the pages. And then you just hit create page, and then your page is created. I usually type in return to, and in this case, Stratopedia. You can just click Stratopedia and it'll come up there. And again, when you're finished, hit save, and away you go. There's your page. And you can put any content you want, such as you can add links. So I would encourage you to add web links to either articles, videos, or another web page. Or even the best thing is a page on the same site, so you can link between pages on the site. You can also insert videos YouTube videos or other videos. That's quite easy. If you get in trouble with using the wiki, you can always ask for help, and you can always go to the help screen. Okay, inserting images and files. If you're inserting a file, like an image file or any other kind of file, a Word file, etc., it's a little bit tricky. You have to go on the right. You'll see this upload files. So you hit upload files. It goes to your computer. You find the file that you want. You click on it. You insert it, and then you've got your file. Now here you haven't gone to edit yet. You're in view, or you are from previous save. Once you've got your file there, again you would either highlight something already written or retype something out, and then do add link, and then you find the page or the image or the file, and then you click onto it, and then you've got your file on your web page, your wiki page. Okay. So the other thing we're encouraging with the wiki is adding comments. So in the bottom of the page, all the pages, there's a little section that says add comments. So if you have, I often will give you feedback on how you're doing on your project or your encyclopedia. You can ask questions or make suggestions for other people or give other people ideas. Usually I encourage people to reply, hit reply here. If someone's asked a question, this is an example here. Shanti's put something and then I've hit reply. Again, this for comments is not for chatting, so the idea is not to say, hey, how's it going, and have a bunch of chatting stuff. Pure good content comments, please. Okay, also encourage you to edit other pages. So of course you've got to edit the page. Type of thing people do would be maybe they want to, someone's written about something, and they might even be talking about the concept you're talking about, but they didn't put a link to your page. You can add a link to your page. You can also edit grammar. You can add content. If you've got an article that you'd suggest, you could write a little summary and put a link to the article for that person. You could also add a video if you find a good video. The other person can come and edit. They don't like it, they can take it out, or they can edit it or change it, etc. Once you've added something, especially on someone else's wiki page, it's nice if you describe your changes. So you'll see this section come up on the bottom of the page, and so I said I added a link to Jack Welch's homepage, for example. And here's what it would look like. I can see all the revisions to a page, and this tells me Edward fixed a link that maybe didn't work. Nathan didn't put any comments, not sure what he did, and then Edward fixed some typos, some grammar errors. Okay, so that's it for wikis in my class. The image there is the Wiki bus from the Hawaii airport that the name Wikis came from, which means quick, so a quick bus from the airport. So quick collaboration tool on websites. Welcome to the world of wikis.